Hello mga mami! Samahan niyo ako inside KKV. This one is located as SM South Mall. They also have a branch in SM Mall of Asia and in other locations. But this time, we're going to the one in SM South Mall. So, pagpasok mo pa lang, you can already see so many options. For the toy lovers or the toy collectors, you can see ang dami agad bubungad sa'yo for that. And then, they actually have a lot of collectibles. They have a lot of blind boxes. And for me, ang daming magagandang choices. Like, lalaban naman siya kahit papaano kay Pop Mart. Though Pop Mart has a lot more collections and collectibles, so to speak. They also have these nail polishes. And I actually tried 2 of them. Kasi ang ganda tingnan para siyang hologram, parang glittery. Though I think you have to use about 4 layers for it to look really nice. And then, they have home decors, mga keychains. Sobrang daming options, guys. You would actually end up spending a lot of time here if you're not mindful of the time. Kasi talagang ang dami mong iba-browse through. Ayan. As you can see right now, these are, I believe, mga home decors. And then, these are for the beauty enthusiasts. Ang dami rin mga makeup. Though personally, I haven't tried any of their makeup yet. Kasi I'm really kind of picky when it comes to putting on makeup sa skin. Because, you know, we've seen the horror stories sa iba. And I don't want that to happen to my own skin. But some of the brands that they have, I've actually seen on Shopee and I've seen reviews. So I think okay naman. Then they have stuffed toys. Ito, mga stickers to. I don't know if I got this, but I know that I got a lot of arts and crafts and stickers and journaling materials from KKV. In fact, I actually have a KKV haul, so make sure to also check on that. I'll do my best to attach it to this video para you guys can see. And then ito nga to, mga beauty masks. I've gotten around 4 and I've had my son try it out. Wala naman siyang negative feedback, so I'm gonna assume na, you know, all's good sa mga face mask nila. Ayan. Super daming choices. Ako personally, tamad kasi ako mag-face mask or to do any skincare. So, I've been forcing myself to do more of these kasi syempre, nasa mid-40s na tayo. We have to take better care of our skin. So, these are all good, affordable options that they have inside KKV. And again, KKV is located in a lot of different places. I know personally, meron sa Mall of Asia and then South Mall. I'm guessing that in other places, they will soon sprout up. What I am reminded of KKV is that it's like an upgraded or super upscale version of the Visoria. And the only reason I compare it to the Visoria is because it has so many options from food, skincare, health, for kids, may mga toys, meron ding mga arts and crafts, may journaling materials. And kaya sinabi kong upscale kasi mas magaganda yung mga binibenta nila. And the Visoria kasi, it is more affordable. But sometimes, because it is, more affordable, the quality isn't as good. But I'm not, dissing it. I grew up in the Visoria. I love the place. It's just that sometimes you also want, better bang for your buck, so to speak. So, ayan, again, ang dami rin talaga nilang for the beauty enthusiast. I think if you're a newbie content creator, this is a good way for you to create content. Affordable siya, and you get to show your value. May mga chinelos pa like this. I didn't get to try this out, but this one is made of rubber. Now, ayan na yung mga for kids. So, these are Lego blocks, or I guess blocks, kasi hindi naman siya Lego. So, these are blocks, and there's a lot of choices. I did not get this because I wasn't sure yet of the quality. And syempre, I also want to find out more muna if it's, safe for kids. Kasi my son, he loves biting and chewing on things. I think it's a boy thing. And then, ayan, may mga dinosaurs. Also have cars. So, ang daming choices. Like a little boy would be super happy because of the choices that is available to them. You have the blocks, you have the cars, you have the dinosaurs, and there's a lot of options. The good thing is it's also very affordable. Now for the art and craft lover, as you can see, this one is only $159. I actually got this It's a felt kit. I haven't opened it yet, but it is on my to-do list of things to open and create a video so that I can show you guys if it's worth it. Like, I know it's only $159, but syempre, we have to make sure everything is bang for buck. Now, going back, see, ang daming car options. May mga trucks, colored cars. May mga, I think, may mga parang transformer type of cars. And then you can build a lot of different things, as you can see here. Grabe, it's a little bit overwhelming if I was gonna be honest. Pero for little boys, I'm sure like si Calico, he would be so happy to see this. Kaya rin siguro hindi pa namin dinadala si Callie kasi feeling ko talaga ang dami-dami ang kukunin. Even si Brent, since he loves actually building blocks, itong mga bulaklak na to, for sure he would take an interest and, build these little blocks kasi ito yan eh. So it's like little Legos or blocks and then bubuuhin mo itong mga sunflowers, itong mga roses. For someone like me na walang tiyaga sa mga puzzles, this is not something I would love. But for those who love their puzzles, definitely. And then, ayan na po. Ayan yung other mga puzzles or blocks that they can make. So, these are like little restaurants. Pero mga stand-alone siya ng mga shops. And sobrang ang cute. And it's only 499 pesos. Tapos may 699. Mas malalaki na yan. So, there's actually something for almost every budget. Yun lang yung maganda sa KKV at natuwa ako sa kanya. Kasi again, daming options. Parang this, the dragons, I super like it. But yun nga, wala talaga akong tiyaga. So, I'm thinking of trying one out. Though I don't know how it's going to pan out because, hello, no patience as a person. Pero like when my kid does this, tuwan-tuwa ako kasi alam mo yun, makikita mo talaga from little small blocks to biglang, whoa, it's a castle, it's a restaurant, it's a dragon, it's a car, it's, little figures. And it's super interesting, especially when it's on display, like in a glass case. Kasi una, hindi siya nadudumihan. It's really fun to look at. And again, it helps them, especially with their brains. It really boosts the energy there. And then, ito naman yung mga small figurines. Super duper nice. They have so many figurines. Like, grabe, kung ang dami ka lang budget, feeling ko binili ko na lahat ng blind boxes dito. And that is not an exaggeration. Again, this is not sponsored. I went there on my own. I bought a lot of things with my own money. Much to the dismay of my husband. But no, not sponsored. Not in any way, shape, or form man lang. Like, they don't even know I exist. And I'm just sharing this with you guys kasi sobra akong natutuwa sa KKV. And that's what content creation is supposed to be all about. So, ayan. Diba ang cute? Tapos, ayan pa. Gusto ko yung kulay green, yung kulay yellow. Wala lang. Actually, parang gusto ko siya halos lahat. Ang ganda niya. Pero pag kinuha ko yan, wala na. Puro ganyan na lang yung bag ko and that won't be good. So, again, here, just showing to you guys everything that is available. Once more, this is in SM South Mall because I live in the South. And then, ayan, si Marie. Sa totoo lang, gusto ko rin siyang kunin. Pero sabi ko nga, hindi naman ganun kadami yung bags ko. So, puro ganyan na lang. Yung Beer Baby, parang siya yung jelly baby ng Pop Mart, diba? So, ayan. Marami din siya yung mga parang witch, mga medyo darkish na creatures, medyo skull panda-ish yung dating. Pero it's a little bit more affordable. And for me, some of them, parang mas maganda kaysa kay Pop Mart. Kasi meron siyang mga medyo malalaking figurines. Tapos parang $5.99, $5.79 lang. Meron din naman na halos same price, same range. Ayan o. Like, imagine if you have that kind of a wall. It's a conversation starter. It's really a way to also display. Parang kay Winnie Wong. I don't know if you guys know her, but she's someone I follow on Instagram. And super nice na mga way niya of showing her collectibles. She makes it functional, but aesthetic. And still really very much like a collectible. So, ayan. Ang cute-cute sobra. Nakaka-happy lang talaga tingnan. Tingnan mo, 'di ba? Ganda ng glass case niya. Pero syempre, pag ganyan, kailangan malaking bahay mo. Kailangan meron ka talagang display area din. Or kung maliit naman yung bahay mo, meron ka lang dedicated spot for these kind of figures. They also have these wooden puzzles. So, this one, I actually did not get any kasi nga, I'm really not into puzzles. And then I wasn't sure if my son would actually like it. Pero mukha naman din maganda. And then I actually saw one recently inside this room na mga ganito, wooden puzzles. So, most likely, the next time that I visit KKV, I will get these for him. Because I like to, keep them busy, keep them doing things so that they're not bored. And then, they get to, try things out, make sure their brain works really well pa rin. These are like brain exercises. And again, tinaman naman. If I only had the patience and the talent for it, I definitely would get myself these puzzles. Unfortunately, it's just really not for me. This one, I believe, are... I don't actually know. Parang mga cards. I think playing cards. Diba the Pokemon has those playing cards? Tapos sila meron din ganyan. And then meron sila mga small figurines that you can also put together. So, ayan. Diba? Ang daming choices. I really like that there are so many options for girls and boys. And people can just really choose which one they want. If I were to actually pick one for myself, siguro ito. Yung Little Prince na parang mirror or yung glass case na yan. That's what I would get. Though hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko siyang buuhin. But it would be something that I could be motivated enough to try out for myself. Kasi diba, sobrang cute. Yan. So, I'm just again sharing what is inside kasi a lot of my mommy friends have asked, ano bang meron sa KKV? So, ayan. Meron silang mga plushies, stuffed toy. This one I also didn't get just because my son has so many na. So, I was like, no, the room is not naman that big. You already have so many. So, I didn't get him these plushies. But, magaganda ba? Yes. Super cute ba? Definitely. Sarap bang bilhin? Oo naman, 'di ba? Pero syempre, minsan we have to stop ourselves from buying. Sana ma-apply ko siya sa journaling materials kasi yan sobrang dami ko talaga. And then these ones, they're mostly for toddlers na. So, ayan, as you can see, they're also puzzles. Actually, one of my dream is to have a game room para doon makakapag-puzzle talaga si Brent kasi he really likes puzzles. But sadly, 'di ba, when you're doing puzzles, you need a space, and that's the one thing that we unfortunately do not have in our home, like a dedicated space for all of the puzzles that he wants to do, especially the big ones. So, ayan, ang daming choices, ang daming mga variations, may Disney, merong Marvel, meron namang mga Van Gogh, may mga paintings. Nakakatuwa lang kasi talagang maaakit yung mata mo into getting one and then being more creative. And then they also have bag charms or keychains as we used to call it. Bag charms na siya ngayon. And then this one, very for me very reasonable naman yung pricing niya. 99 pesos, 100 something. Walang over the top. And then ang daming options again. And then ayan, meron din ako nito DIY pipe. It's an arts and crafts. I also got one and I'm planning on reviewing. Hopefully, I'll be able to manage my time better and I'll be able to go ahead and do this para you guys can see if, again, it's worth your budget. Tapos, meron na ako yan, yung parang pinipainting ng mga ceramic na 3D. I also got that. And then, the ones below, yung parang paint by numbers, I also got one of those, diba? And then, natutuwa lang ako kasi parang ang dami kong pwedeng magawa. And hopefully, I'll be able to have more time to actually do these things. And if not naman, I'm sure that, my kids will be able to do them in the future. And then, these ones, ayan na. Ito na yung, kabaliwan moments ng mommy. Kasi mga journaling materials, ang dami nilang sticker options. And then, the price ranges from 39 pesos to 400 something. So, again, ang daming options. Pasok sa budget, nagtitipid ka, may tag 39 pesos. Medyo gusto mag-splurge, may 400 plus. There is always something for everyone. These ones, 69 pesos. Ako personally, ayoko ng foam sticker kasi sa planner, sa DIY planner or daily planner, umuumbok siya. And then when I write, tapos nakaumbok sa other side, nabubutas minsan yung paper. But again, that's just me, okay? That's my parang personal preference. So, bahala naman kayo kung ano yung mga gusto ninyo. And then, ayan, may tag for 49 pesos. It's cheaper, but equally looking good. Ayan. So, alam ko, I got a lot of these as well. Pero ito talagang yung mga parang foam stickers. Bagay siya mostly for kids, for, their cabinets, their notebooks, their paunan. Just to spiff things up, make it look cuter, more aesthetic. And then, ayan, I got this, yung Let's Cut Paper. Bakit? Kasi I want Kali to practice his cutting skills because they need that in school. Nag-improve naman ba? Medyo, pero hindi pa rin like 100%. But that's okay kasi, he's 5 years old. I'm not expecting him to know everything. But I want to make sure that I'm able to give him tools that he needs para mag-improve. And then, ayan na po yung mga Play-Doh. This one, we used to buy a lot of, pero na-realize namin, kami rin pala yung nahihirapan. Kasi ang kalat, diba? Ang kalat-kalat. But, it's good for their mental health. It's good for them, so we get it. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, tag 39 pesos. Promise, guys, sulit siya. It's super nice, super adorable to look at, super useful. Again, this is for journaling, for your planners. Yan. So, I got all of those as well. Like, one of each. Hindi naman lahat. And then, alam ko, I shared it na in my KKV haul. And then, these ones are, again, bag charms. I didn't get the bag charms kasi marami pa akong bag charms. But I did get these paper clips because they are super duper cute. They're very, kawaii. Pasensya na kayo, kumukulog. And I really don't want to have to redo this video kasi baka hindi ko na siya gawin ever. So, again, authentic, real, not perfect. Ayun, diba? Inubaw ko. So, those were paper bookmarks. Super cute again. These one, I think they're the 3D sticker. Yung parang may scenery, tapos ididikit-dikit mo, magmukhang 3D-ish. I'm not sure kung tama yung intindi ko, but yun ang intindi ko. Walang sense yung sinabi ko. Ano na. And then, these ones are Disney. I didn't get this, yung mga magic, kasi feeling ko, mas bagay ito for Kali pag mga 9 or 10 years old na siya. Right now, I don't think it'll make sense to him or he'll appreciate it. So, hopefully in the future, it'll still be there. And then, these are also paper clips. Super nice, diba? Super pretty to look at. And they also have these other options. As in, ang dami talaga, guys. Ikaw na lang yung mapapagod sa pag-ikot, sa pag-browse ng mga binibenta. This one, I got the purple one. Kasi wala lang, ang cute niya. And then, syempre, I got myself an enamel pin. Because you guys know, I collect the enamel pins. And then, for 69 pesos, quite reasonable, diba? I've seen enamel pins like 500, grabe. But this one, super affordable. So, I also got one for myself. And it's now part of my collection. And then, eto, ang alam ko, if I remember correctly, mga sticker books siya ulit. So, super duper nice. And nakakatuwa kasi, again, ang daming option. Very reasonable yung presyo niya. So, natutuwa lang ako. And I want to share this all with my, journaling enthusiast moms and dads. Kasi, bihira lang tayo makakita ng ganyan eh. For some reason, kalagian pag mga journaling materials, ang mamahal, ang tataas ng presyo, and magaganda nga, pero diba, minsan, we just want something super nice, but super affordable at the same time. Kaya, ang happy lang na may ganito. And then, ayan, mga washi tapes. Sobrang ang happy lang din. Sipin mo, 39 pesos. For somebody who's been collecting washi tapes, alam ko kung gaano kamahal yan. Nag-splurge na ako in the past. And now, syempre, I just kind of wanna, keep things together. Maayos lang, nakaka-happy lang. Ayan. So, may mga cat din siya na washi tapes. I love ko kumuha ko niyan kasi, I'm a cat person. And anything with cat designs, it's like an automatic. Kung may budget naman extra, I would get. Thankful talaga ako na my husband has been so supportive of these craziness of mine. Kasi pag nakita niya talaga, guys, how many arts and craft materials I have, it's a little bit insane. But, it makes me happy and he supports whatever makes me happy. As long as the bills naman are syempre paid, lahat ng mga kailangang bayaran, meron, may naitatabi kahit pa paano. Then, I think, for me, it's okay to splurge a little bit. A little lang, wag sobra-sobra. So, minsan kailangan ko ring rendahan yung sarili ko. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. Tapos, ayan. Ang naaalala ko, these are stamps. And I think I did not get this particular stamp. But I did get the cats. Yan. The cats, I got all of the cats because they're super cute. So, that's what I got. But then the others, I didn't get na. So, no regrets naman. I was able to get some from D-Stash, but no regrets for the ones I didn't get from KKV. Tapos, eto na, yung mga pangbata, ayan, yung mga pang-kinder, nursery, o diba, sobrang cute. Only 49 pesos. Maganda na rin siyang pangregalo, ha? So, if you're looking for like pang-gift sa mga kaklase ng mga anak nyo this coming pasukan, I feel like this is a great option. It's not nakakasira ng budget. But at the same time, it's something that almost all kids would love to have or to, receive. It's something that they can play with and it's something that can last kahit man lang a year, diba? Nakikita nila sa mga gamit nila. And then, these pocket stickers, super duper nice. Really good for journaling. And again, it's only 99 pesos. Kaya, ang happy lang. Pasok sa banga. This one, I did not get. Kasi nga, it's like the foam sticker. Yung medyo nakaangat. Pero again, this would be a good gift for kids. For them to learn about the sea, the ocean, the forest. And they get to play with it. So, I plan on going back for these. But for Kali, not for myself. And then, ayan, may mga parang music, may mga luto, may mga pets. Sobrang daming choices. Nakakatuwa lang siya. Pag meron ka talagang extra budget, ang daming things that could, become educational, entertainment. And then they also have these notebooks. Grabe, sobrang daming choices. Kaya talagang, Divisoria, nagets nyo na bakit ko sinasabing it's an upgraded or elevated or escalated Divisoria. Like, talagang level up. And then may mga ganyan pa. These ones I got. I haven't tried it yet. I should try it very soon. Most likely, after these videos, I will go ahead and give that a try. Kasi, wala lang, ang nice. Tapos, ayan, meron pa siya mga gift packages. Like, papasok mo lang yung gift, tapos ang bongga na. Parang pinag-isipan mo maigi or pinaghandaan mo siyang maigi. Kahit hindi naman. And then, yung mga notebooks. Alam ko, the notebooks I did not get because I still have so many notebooks. So, I wanted to get all. But I was like, no. And then, they have also the pens. They have a lot of colored pens. I also didn't get because I also have a lot of them pa. So, I just made sure to not get kasi mahirap na. 'Di ba? Baka matuyo, baka hindi magamit, and I'm trying to be a little bit more mindful. Though, alam ko naman na I still get excess of other things, but what I can be more mindful, I am trying very, very hard. And then, itong mga to, I believe it's more for coloring books. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Yung mga notepads. Ito, ang dami kong kinuha ng mga notepads. Kasi magagamit ko siya. Yun talaga yung reasoning ko sa kanya. Kasi parang, ay, ang ganda sobra. Nakaka-happy lang, diba? Parang, ang cute-cute. Oh. See? Diba? Parang, imagine like somebody writes a note, tapos andyan. That's super duper nice. Nakaka-good vibes siya. And then you have your erasers. Actually, I got the eraser for Kali. Tapos nasira lang niya agad-agad. Pero ano na yun? What do you call that? Expected ko na yun. And he was very happy about it. So again, this is KKV located in SM South Mall. They also have in Mall of Asia. And they also have food variants. So I haven't tried it yet. But very soon, I will go back and then I'll give you guys an update or a review about this. Thank you so much for walking with me inside KKV. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay happy, stay positive. Always be real and authentic. And, don't aim for perfection because it's not a real thing. Okay? I'll see you guys next time. Bye!